everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'll be showing you guys how you can stop using family sharing in your iPhone. So family sharing is basically a really cool feature that allows us to access multiple devices at once. Like if you're the parent and you have your iPhone and you have some subscriptions, you can link that to your son's or your kid's tablet, and it can allow you to like see what subscriptions like he's doing, or like just have like a watch over your kid and what he's seeing, purchasing, subscribing to. It's a pretty cool feature, and yeah, like it saves you a lot of money, honestly. So how you can stop using it if you've started using it? So all you have to do is head to settings, and then you can see your Apple ID right on top. Just gonna click on there, and then you're gonna go to the fourth option that says family sharing. Now as you can see, I don't have any sharing done right now. Subscriptions, purchases, I would have done, they would have appeared in these panels, but how you can remove this is I'm just gonna click on your like name, and then you can see on the bottom it says stop using family sharing. Now once I click on there, yes, your family sharing is switched off, and now any subscriptions you make, any purchases that you make, it will just be for yourself, and your family can't access to it and you can't share it too. So yeah, and if you want to switch it on again, you gotta click again and you gotta go through these options right here. So yeah, that's all from this video.